Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sama. Today I just wanted to do like a quick video about this bubble tea that I bought from an Asian market here in Glasgow, and it's actually like a do-it-yourself at-home bubble tea thing. This is by The Alley. It's actually a famous like bubble tea brand that I've seen in Malaysia and stuff. I think it's Taiwanese or it's from Hong Kong, it says. I'm going to pause this video right here because I know that The Alley is actually Taiwanese, so I was a little bit confused as to why it says Hong Kong on the label. So I went onto Google while editing this video, typed everything up, The Alley Bubble Tea Home Kit. Lo and behold, I found out this thing that I bought from the Asian market is actually fake. I feel really deceived right now. It says here that the Alley bubble tea drinks sold in supermarkets are actually fake, but they actually use the Alley's logo. So I don't know what company actually made this. It says here that the Alley actually announced that the canned drinks being sold are fake and it's not theirs at all, so I feel a bit duped. So just FYI, this specific like milk tea, bubble tea, home kit thing that you can find in Asian markets, probably around the UK as well, is not actually from The Alley. They're just using The Alley's branding, and yeah. And I've actually tried The Alley when I was in Ipoh in Malaysia, and I tried the brown sugar bubble tea and it was super good. So when I saw this, I was like super ecstatic, okay? So I'm gonna try and make this, I'm gonna review it, and then I'll share the whole process with you guys. Let's go! Subscribe! So this is what it looks like. You can see the brand here, The Alley. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so inside, bubble tea powder, the boba, I think, straw, which I'm not too happy about because it comes in plastic as well. There's the black tea that you have to use to brew, and the brown sugar that comes in a little capsule like this. So I'm gonna make 2 bubble teas, so I'm gonna brew tea for both of these cups. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use this French press to brew the tea. So I'm going to let this sit for a bit and we'll return to this in a second. For now, I'm gonna put all the other ingredients in. Open up these powdered stuff. Okay, let's put it in here. And then I'll mix the tea in. Yeah, okay, let's do that.
It smells kind of like buttered popcorn. I don't think it's supposed to smell like that. Yeah, it smells sweet, but like buttered popcorn. It's a little bit funny, but okay.
I want the tea to be quite dark because I like when bubble tea has the actual flavor of tea in it. So I'm gonna let it sit for a bit and then I'm gonna pour it in, mix it up.
5 minutes later.
Okay, it's been a couple of minutes now, and as you can see, the tea is quite dark now. Oh no! No, the paper went inside.
Do you guys do this where you squeeze out all the water out of the tea bag? You know, I just like to maximize the tea bag that I have.
It smells delicious. So I'm mixing it as much as possible so that all the powder dissolves. The rest of the tea. Nicely mixed. I'm gonna add the boba. Ooh, can you see it? It's like boop, boop. It's a little bit soft, not too soft.
And it kind of breaks apart like a seed rather than boba. I think it's more like red bean than boba. Anyway, I'm just gonna add that in.
And next, I'm gonna add the brown sugar. So, whoa! Okay, it just splashed all over me. Oh my god.
It literally just splashed all over me. Oh my god.
So I'm just gonna add the sugar in. There you go. Oof, okay, that's much better. And now I've got some ice. So I'm just gonna add ice cubes to this. Nice, nice, nice. Add some more. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna check to see what the boba looks like. This is what the boba looks like at the bottom. It looks more like seeds, to be honest, so I'm not convinced that they're actually tapioca. We cover it. Cover it. And push this upwards. So this is like one of those Japanese style straws where you like just pull it and then boop, it clicks on and put it in like that. Ta-da! So you have this. So that was the whole process of making this bubble tea. Now let's try it. Hopefully it's nice. First of all, that's definitely not tapioca. That's red bean, so I feel just a little bit cheated. What is my verdict of this bubble tea? So, in terms of taste, like it tastes good. It does not taste exactly like brown sugar bubble tea from Simfutang or the actual ones from the alley that they make fresh for you after you order it. However, it is pretty nice on a hot day like today. It's quite nice and thirst quenching. I am disappointed that the boba is not actually boba and it's actually red bean. In terms of packaging, I like how this looks. It's really pretty. Another thing I want to say is that there are no instructions whatsoever, so I do wish that they had some sort of like IKEA style diagram somewhere here. It would have been nice to just have some form of instructions for my own reassurance. I don't really like the fact that every component of this bubble tea has its own packaging. I think there's a lot of faff. I just overall don't like when there's so much plastic, you know? It's not even biodegradable, so it's a little bit complicated to try and recycle. Overall, would I go out of my way to get this bubble tea? Not particularly. Would I try the other flavors that this home kit by the alley has? Yeah, probably. Out of 10, I will give the alley's home kit bubble tea thing like a 6 out of 10. Actually, because this is a plagiarized version of a business that's really quite world famous, I am going to drop it down from a 6 out of 10 to a 4.5 because I am genuinely quite disappointed that this is a plagiarized product because I did quite like it, but I'm not entirely sure if I can support it. So thanks so much for watching this video. I had a lot of fun. Like there's tons of things in Asian markets in Glasgow nowadays that I really want to try and I really want to review. So look out for more quick videos of that because I'm gonna have fun making them. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.